Sour foods are citrus fruits, as well as fermented products. They have a tangy taste and sour because of organic acids that can be citric, acetic, or lactic acid. The foods whose taste is sour offer not only flavor, but they also bring other health benefits, for example, better digestion, weight management, and good oral health. Sour foods include lemons, limes, oranges, grapefruits, tamarind, green apples, cherries, yogurt, sour cream, sauerkraut, kimchi and vinegar. Sour foods can flavor food richly and at the same time confer a lot of health benefits. Weight control. Since sour foods are known to greatly regulate appetite as well as activate a sense of fullness, they have the potential of being used in the management of weight loss. According to a 2017 study by Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition, it would suggest the consumption of yogurt may possibly help in shedding off weight for the individuals affected by being obese. High in vitamin C. Many tart edible goods, like citrus fruits, contain a rich amount of vitamin C, which aids the body in several ways, such as maintaining healthy immune function, skin, and promoting iron intake into the body. Improved digestion. According to research published in PLOS ONE in 2012, this could also be owing to the activation of probiotics produced in the fermentation process of foods like yogurt, thereby alleviating issues with digestions. Hydration. Most sour foods, like citrus fruits, contain high water content. These fruits can help in hydration as well as the overall fluid balance in the body. Control of blood sugar. Sour foods may help keep the blood sugar level in check. They can be beneficial to those who are under the management control stage of diabetes. Examples include sour cherries, which contain the chemical anthocyanins. A 2015 study by Reviews in Endocrine and Metabolic Disorders showed that it can prevent type 2 diabetes. Could reduce risk for heart disease. They contain antioxidants in rich quantities so may help in fighting oxidative stress and the risk of heart diseases. In a study that was conducted in 2019 published at the Journal of Nutrition, the scientist found a link between yogurt consumption and an enhanced lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Ensured oral health. Acidity in sour foods also helps reduce the dangerous bacteria quantities in the mouth, as well as the danger of disease formation. However, their consumption should be moderate, as they can impact on the enamel of the teeth. Sour foods contain many health benefits, but overindulgence in them can bring side effects. Acidity found in sour foods may potentially trigger or worsen acid reflux and heartburn conditions in individuals who tend to experience them more often. Frequent consumption of sour food leads to dental erosion, thus making one more prone to developing cavities and sensitivity. Water should be washed over the mouth immediately after the consumption of sour foods. A few people experience bloating, gas, or diarrhea after the consumption of high amounts of sour foods or other fermented foods. Some sour foods, including grapefruit, interfere with some drugs by impacting the liver action during their metabolism. High intake of sour foods may result in an elevated load on the kidneys, particularly in patients with the pre-existing kidney issues since the body has a high acid load.